I'm making a juice here, and then the bulk I make a patty. These are the carrots, beets. I put onion, garlic, and the carrots with, when you make smoothie, no, when you make a juice. So the bulk, you don't throw it. Just put some oatmeal, little whole wheat flour, and salt and pepper, garlic, and then you can make your own vegetarian patty from the juice that you made. And then what I gonna do here is put it in the container ready for eating. But this is really yummy, very delicious. And add some cilantro or parsley in the, so it will have some green in there, looking like herbs. So it's good though. It's like a hamburger, but it's vegetarian. The reason why the color is like beef, because I put beets in it, because beets are considered healthy for making juice, and also juice is healthy for you too. Add ginger and garlic, because they said it's good for the cleansing the toxin in your body. So these are all for today. I made patty, vegetable patty for to eat. So you can too. Don't throw it when you have making your juice. Don't throw the bulk. Just add. Make sure that of course the vegetable are really clean. So you can just, that's black pepper. You can just use it for this vegetarian patty. So it's a healthy choice. And this here is watching me, but he doesn't like to eat anything. So that's all I can share to everyone. Vegetarian patty from the juice that I made this morning. Bye bye. Have a good day, everyone. God bless.